In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate the Chatgpt API with Google Slides to create an AI-powered presentation. This tutorial is perfect if you're looking to enhance your presentations with some cutting-edge AI capabilities. Whether you're a teacher prepping for a class, a business professional crafting a pitch, or just curious about what AI can do for your presentations, this guide is designed for you. Now let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. Once you're on the homepage, you need to sign into your Google account. This is crucial because all your work will be saved in Google Drive and linked to your account. So enter your credentials and go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides home screen. Here you have the option to start with a blank presentation or select from a variety of templates. For the purpose of this tutorial, feel free to choose whichever option best suits your needs, but using a blank presentation might be a good way to start and get familiar with the integration process. With your presentation open, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the top menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where we'll be adding the magical piece that allows you to integrate the ChatGPT API. Once you click Extensions, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, navigate your cursor down and click on Add-ons. A secondary menu will pop up, and here you'll want to click on Get Add-ons. After selecting Get Add-ons, you'll be redirected to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is the place where you can add all sorts of extensions and apps to enhance your Google Slides experience. In the search bar at the top of this page, type in ChatGPT, T-Shirt-PT. You should see a list of relevant add-ons appear below. Now you're looking specifically for the ChatGPT add-on that suits your needs, so take a moment to scroll through and find the one that offers the integration you're aiming for. Once you've identified the right add-on, click on it to get more details, follow the prompts to install it, and make sure you review any permissions it requires. It's fairly standard to grant access to your Google Slides, so go ahead and click Allow if everything looks good. And just like that, you're set up with ChatGPT integrated into your Google Slides. Test it out by opening the add-on and seeing how it can enhance your presentation content with AI-generated text. This powerful tool can offer you suggestions, create outlines, or generate text based on prompts, saving you time and inspiring creativity. I hope this tutorial helps you unlock new potentials in your presentations. Thank you for joining me and happy creating.